Hello anyone, Stepan Gromov is here. Today I wanted to work out, but it was raining, so I decided to make this video. How long can I hang on the wet horizontal bar and compare this result with my hanging on the dry bar. So let's not waste time, turn on the music and go try. Unfortunately, on the first day of filming, the horizontal bar was already dry by the time I started recording. So today I doused it with water and also wet my hands for difficulty. So let's proceed to the second attempt. 2 days have passed, so my muscles are as fresh as possible. And I'm going. As you can see, the results are not really different, which means you can train on the horizontal bar without any problems in any weather. But even if you still have some complexes about the wet bar, you can also use a rack and everything will be fine for you. So, thank you all for the watching and see you!